Setting up clients is really easy to do in Studio from the any screen actually. On the left hand side, you can see where it's new. You can click client or vendor, and in this case I am going to select client. Okay. Usually when somebody's starting out, I do always recommend in the beginning to just use clients and vendors, just because, well, there's a lot of reasons why I would do that, but I'm not going to get into them here. We do have extended versions of these videos, so you can check those out. But this is how you'd set up the client. You're going to want to set up the address ID. I usually use capital letters, and I follow a standard naming convention. So whatever that is for you. You're going to want to fill this out in its entirety, leave any notes that you want for yourself or for your team. It does ask you to select a tax location, so if you don't have one, you're going to want to watch the video to set those up as well. But I always tell everybody, and I encourage you to visit the other sections so you can see the other things that you can set as defaults. I typically will set up a room list when I set up a new client, and it's really simple. You're just going to add it. Okay. I kind of leave these alone again for the time being, at least when I'm teaching it in the beginning and in for these basics and these quick tutorials. Okay. This basically tells you whether or not to copy the purchase. You can select which option you want. You can also set the defaults from the company wide. Okay. Specify only, it's on no. If you were to select yes, that's another video, but that's if you were just going to price it out. Okay, and any other specifics, if you have standard markups, you're going to go ahead and do that here. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm going to set up when I set up a new client. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can email them to info@mareevuitton.com, and hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.